This is the square inscribed in a circle construction. I'm going to start by constructing a circle on my paper. And by marking the center of the circle, which I can see because my compass left a small hole in my paper. Okay, generally this much of the diagram would be done for you. So the question would give you a circle with a center and ask you to construct a square inscribed in the circle. So I'm going to start the construction by constructing a diameter going through the center of my circle. And this diameter is actually going to end up being one of the diagonals of my square. So from here we need to know some properties of a square. Properties include that the diagonals are congruent, the diagonals are perpendicular, and the diagonals bisect each other. So what I'm going to do is actually construct the perpendicular bisector. So I'm going to open my compass. I'm starting on one end of my diameter. I'm going to open the compass at least a little bit more than halfway. Do the same thing from the other end point of my diameter. And then I'm going to use my straight edge to connect those points. Okay. And then this will be the other diagonal of the square where the line intersects the circle. So these are the 4 vertices of my square, so I just have to construct the sides of my square now. And there is my square inscribed in a circle. I could name the square if the question asked me to, ABCD for example. So square ABCD is inscribed in circle E.